Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine. Today in this session, we start with grammar, lesson number 9. Name of the lesson is verbs, gerunds and infinitives. What do you mean by gerunds and infinitives? I will explain you. The gerund is a noun made from a verb by adding ing. Noun made from a verb, and in that verb you have to add ing. The gerund looks like a verb but has the function of a noun. It looks like a verb but it has the function of the noun. And infinitive means it is the base form of verb. The to plus infinitive is used to express the purpose or intention of an action. You can see over here the example is given. Dash is reading a good habit. Read is the verb action. Ing, reading. Read plus ing, adding ing to the verb. He is interested in dash friends. Making friends. Make ing form. That is gerund. You should give up smoking. Smoke with ing, smoking. The gerund can be used as a subject. For example, cooking is one of my hobbies. Gerund can be used as after a preposition. That is, he is interested in singing. Sing is the verb plus ing. Gerund can be used after certain verbs. For example, I like playing cricket. Means play is the verb with ing form. Now, to plus infinitive, when you will add to with infinitive. I told him to help is your verb, me with my project. My friend encouraged me to play the match. To with infinitive, verb, but it acts as an base of the form of the verb, and to plus infinitive is used to express the purpose or intention of an action, to play, to help, to learn. It takes time to learn a new language. Some verbs are followed by the to plus infinitive. For example, we decided to have lunch outside. Some verbs are followed by a noun and the to infinitive. For example, I advised Raju to study hard. Noun, study hard. The first one is done for you. You can see complete the sentence with your own ideas. Dash to use cell phones while driving. It is dangerous to use cell phones while driving. It is important for you to take care of your health. It is necessary to learn English. To learn, to take, to use means we are using to with infinitive. It is difficult to bring up children, to tell, to bring, to help. These are to with infinitive. See children, here few examples are given. Rewrite the sentences with gerunds. He started to play the guitar when he was 6. He started playing. To play is infinitive and is to be converted into gerund. Playing the guitar when he was 6. Play with ing, verb form. It started to rain when stepped out of the house. It started raining when we stepped out of the house. To rain is infinitive. It is changed to rain with ing, verb form. I prefer to stay at home on Sundays. I prefer staying. Stay with ing, staying at home on Sundays. He loves to read adventure stories. He loves reading adventure stories. She hates to do exercise. She hates doing exercise means infinitive is changed to gerund.